What's up, Shaun? How you doing? You ready to check out Google Cloud Next?
Oh yeah, I'm hyped.
Pretty sick. What a setup, by the way. How gigantic is this?
Wow.
So much cool AI stuff.
So this is all the AI mapping that was done. The skeletal movement was really important, and then this is showing the twists and degrees of rotation. It's helped so much having this information you didn't have before, because a lot of times you're just guessing. People are wearing these big baggy clothes, and your coach is like, maybe a little more speed.
It's the same thing with the golf swing. Being more knowledgeable of what those triggers are to make it work is so crucial.
Wow, what's this?
This was the model that really brought us a whole new opportunity when it came to sports analysis. It's one of many models that comes out of DeepMind, can extract 3D data from video. It could be instructive for coaching.
Robots.
For robotics, definitely, but also the broader goal to really help AI understand the world and how to actually move throughout a space.
Wow,
This is
what a
crazy.
trip.
This is AI embodiment powered by Gemini Robotics. So we give AI a robot body.
Can it be a caddy?
Yeah.
That's pretty crazy how it keeps iterating. It just continues to learn and learn and learn. No way. That's sick. Considering what we've seen here, it's pretty inspirational.
Pretty next level.